The main course, what Yoram has prepared for us, is nothing less than art. Look at it, a beautiful eclectic combination of lobster, prawn, shrimp, vegetables, potatoes, and even flowers. Wondering, is it possible for you to recreate this dish in your kitchen? Yes. And is it worth the effort? Yes. So, ready? Good.
I made vegetables and herb coulis. It's
Right.
have ciboulette, chive, basil, parsley, short blanch on them,
blanch,
grind it and took the water out of them.
And lots of intensity.
Exactly.
Next, Yoram transforms the coulis into a gel by infusing it with a seaweed-based agar
We take the jelly, I will grind it on the plate.
to create this, a coulis gel. First ingredient onto the plate. Next, purple potatoes.
Drizzle it with olive oil,
A little bit of olive oil. I'm going to massage that in a little bit.
yam, muldoon salt.
Some molten salt.
So I put it just in the oven for an hour.
After which they're peeled, smashed, and lightly sautéed.
A little bit olive
A
oil.
little olive oil. So the potatoes we're going to heat up in the olive oil. A little bit of salt and some pepper.
Heat it for just a few minutes and let it cool. Voila! Purple smashed potatoes. Second ingredient. Next, the shrimp.
The shrimp is being peeled. The tail's taken off. Some plastic wrap
Yeah, exactly.
on the table, nice and straight. The shrimp laid out in a nice uniform manner.
Salt and white pepper.
Okay. The pepper.
And then we roll it.
We're gonna fold it over,
It have to be nice and tight.
nice and
And
tight.
then-
So we're gonna roll it up,
Yeah.
as so. And we have this nice sausage.
After you finish rolling it up, put it in the steamer for just 2 minutes before serving. And there you have it, shrimp sausage. Third ingredient. Next up, prawns. Peel, add olive oil, salt and white pepper, cook until golden brown, and yes, they're prepared identically to the appetizer. Prawns, ingredient 4. Next up, fresh lobster.
We imported the lobster from Nova Scotia.
There we go. Wow, that is fresh. That's
Move
pretty.
fast to the question.
Okay, move fast.
Blanch the lobster in
Right.
boiling water,
Okay.
5 minutes.
Look at that beautiful lobster. In the ice water it goes.
Next, the lobster is cut into pieces and steamed for 2 minutes, and there you have it, ingredient 5. Next on the plate, Thai okra and asparagus heads.
You want to cook it last minute before it's put on the plate. To retain the crunch, the flavor.
Exactly.
So how are we going to cook the okra?
In a very hot olive oil,
Right.
together with the asparagus, just like that. Some salt and pepper, that's all.
Super.
The pan is hot, you can pour a little bit olive oil.
There we go.
The pan should begin to smoke before adding the vegetables.
Yeah,
Started to smoke, so I thought I'd better get
Exactly.
those vegetables in.
exactly, very good.
There we go.
Cook the vegetables for 3 minutes and you're ready to serve.
Cut the okra, some of them into half.
Right. One more.
Yeah.
You know what? It looks like a painting.
Simply add the vegetables to the plate, and there you have it, okra and asparagus heads, ingredient 6. Next ingredients, raw pea shoots, lightly seasoned with salt and olive oil.
And I'm just going to try it, see if it's good. Really good.
Simple yet delicious. Raw pea shoots, ingredient 7. Next up, the sauce made with traditional ingredients.
Fish stock,
Yeah.
Chardonnay wine, reduction, and a little bit cream, a little bit
Right.
seasoning,
herb
maybe foam.
coulis.
So I give the sauce a herb flavor, foam it a
And
little
we're going to
bit.
foam it with the band mix.
Yes,
Great. So area, shall I?
tasted before.
Oh,
It's very light.
Very
Even though
light.
it's have a cream, it's very
light.
light. And we don't
Delicate.
put too
elegant.
much.
A light foam sauce, the 8th ingredient.
We put a little bit. It's a very summer dish.
Very much so. And everybody here wants to look good on the beach, no?
Exactly.
And lastly, edible flowers, a 9th ingredient.
I must say I've seen a lot of edible flowers.
What is the name in English?
Well, for me, it's a carnation.
Carnation.
Yeah,
Carnation.
a carnation, yeah. It's bright,
It's
it's light,
creation.
it's creation, it's art. And above all, I look forward to trying that later on with
course.
a great glass of wine, I hope.